Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be going over secondsplash.com. All right, it's another viral lead system that I came across. And today I'm going to be going over the compensation plan. All right, so with this compensation plan, it's going to have a 2-up referral system. So what that means is you're going to pass up your first 2 referrals. That's the bad news, but the good news is your downline is going to pass up their first 2 referrals to you. So I'm going to explain that better here with the 2-up referral system. Just like with any other referral system, you're placed under a sponsor. What is different from other systems, though, is that your first 2 referrals are also placed under your sponsor. The first 2 referrals are commonly referred to as your qualifying referrals. They benefit your sponsor in the same way as if she personally referred them and not you. In fact, the only benefit you receive from the first 2 referrals you pass up to your sponsor is that they qualify you to start your own downline starting with your 3rd referral. All right. So you're probably thinking that the 2-up referral system really is not that great as we make it out to be. But like I said, the good news is exactly at this stage where the things start to become interesting. Okay, so let's see. So your first 2 referrals you sponsor, so you have everyone who ends up in your downline, whether you referred them yourself or they were passed up to you. Okay, so this pretty much means if you never got a dud who joins and does nothing with his account, your downline will keep on doubling forever and ever. Okay, so that's pretty much to sum up the 2-up reverse 2-up or 2-up referral system. Okay, so this is your sponsor, this is you. Okay, so these are your first 2 referrals in blue. Okay, and this is your third one. Okay, and then your third one recruits these 2 down here, Pete and Paul. And then so they are going to go ahead and get passed up to you. Okay, and then they recruit 4. Okay, these people down here, the bottom 4. And you know what? They also go up to you and so on and so on. Okay, so this is a very powerful system. And I'm going to go over some other stuff here. So the doubling downline benefits, the first advantage you get when your downline continues to nearly double to infinity is that your splash trades will continue to receive more and more traffic. Okay, so let's see. I have created one and I've gotten a few views from it as well. So you don't need to pay for any traffic or anything. You're automatically getting views like the one I have here. So I have over 203 views. I only have one splash page though. I've been promoting it here and there. So in this, it's pretty much free. So okay, I am a pro member as well too. Now, if you are ready to join for free, go ahead and click the link below. Thank you.